Welcome to your last day of the History of Measurement assignment. So for this, you are going to be doing an activity. It's called Making an Inch. And so we're going to be looking at how the inch is broken down into fractions on a standard ruler. So we're going to do this, and you're going to need a sheet of paper, a pencil, and a straight edge. So if you have a ruler, that works perfectly. But if you don't have a ruler, a book, CD case, anything with a straight edge to help guide your straight line. So make sure you have those three things. And then we're going to watch a step-by-step video to complete that activity. And after that, you're going to insert an image of your piece of paper, the finished product, into your design notebook. So let's look at your design notebook. And you're going to want to scroll down until you're at day number 6 of the design notebook. And this is where you can see it says, create your make an inch paper showing the standard markings on an inch ruler. So there is a video already linked into your design notebook, and Mr. Severson made this video, and he goes through it very slowly, step by step, of how to do this activity and what all the markings of a ruler represent. So I'm not going to play it during this video. You can do it on your own time. And then once you're done doing that activity, you take a picture of that and put it in right here. So to take a picture of it, you're going to click on this spot right here in your design notebook where it says insert image, and then click on camera. Now I can't do a sample of it right now because I'm already using my camera to do this video, but when you click on it, you'll just hold your piece of paper up in front so that you have proof of doing your make an inch activity. So that's going to be the main activity for this. Afterwards, you need to complete the equivalent fractions that we typically see on a ruler. So the numbers that you wrote down on there of half of an inch, well, what is that equivalent to? And so it would be 2 out of 4, 4 out of 8, oops, and 8 out of 16. So you're going to go through each of these fractions, write down the equivalent fractions for each one, and then you're at your daily summary. So that will be wrapping up our design notebook here. If you have any questions, let us know. The main part of this today is doing that make an inch sheet, and that takes a few minutes. So take time to do that, and then remember to take a picture of it right here.